How to render matte surfaces, number 3. In the final part of my matte surfaces rendering series, we take everything learned so far and apply it to more complex curved surfaces. I'll show you a logical way to assign values across panels and compound curves. And as the examples grow more advanced, you'll see how I approach lighting strategies for intricate forms, including a full rendering demo from start to finish. And to close, I'll share quick value sketches that pull everything together. This workshop is about leveling up, quite frankly, taking your shading from solid basics into professional level application. Now let's push further and see how these ideas come alive on complex surfaces.